All right, I'm answering the question, what if you don't file your patent application? What happens? All right, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm, also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. I've helped thousands of inventors over my 10-year career helping inventors doing patents, trademarks, copyrights, and we've helped get almost 500 patents granted as of today. I'm excited to share with you my take on this question. What happens if you don't get a patent? And there's a couple different options here. The first path we'll go down is, okay, so you're decided not to get a patent and you're keeping things in stealth mode. All right, we kind of talked about this in a different video, but I definitely want to bring this up again. If you do not move forward with filing a patent on your invention, but you still want to keep it in-house, you've got to control that through trade secrets and through documentation, carefully written confidentiality agreements and clauses within your employment agreements and contractor agreements will be vital. And you've got to make sure you have a really good process for bringing on new employees, and don't forget, as they exit. So having solid exit interviews, making sure they sign and agree to keep things confidential within your company, even as they go onto maybe a new company, start their own company, or worse, a competitor. All right. So that's option one, is to keep it, but without filing anything and not going to market. Option two is, hey, I'm not going to patent it, but we're going to go market. We're going to go sell the product and just hope for the best. So this option, of course, comes with, I think, the biggest downside, where you're going to face immediate competition. As soon as it gets published and your competitors see, wow, they did not secure a patent protection on this, we don't even need to try to design around it. We can actually make the exact same product and learn from maybe some of the mistakes that your company made and just go right to market, come right beside it, and maybe even try to undercut it based on cost or margin. So that type of issue is a major downside. But of course, the upside is you're not having to go through the time or investment to hire attorneys and acquire the patent, which could take up to 2-3 years. And you're not having to sort of wait. You're going to market very quickly. And maybe your plan is to just iterate, pivot, move on. So the second option, I think, while it comes with a whole host of risks of really not being able to be successful or tackle the market and get the right amount of market share that you want, there are some times, right? There are sometimes certain industries that are evolving so quickly that even if you were to get a patent on a specific technology, the pace of the industry is so quick that in 3, 4, 5 years, the market will be somewhere totally different. And maybe that 20-year monopoly that we talk about in certain fast-moving industries, fast-growing industries, is really not that full 20 years, because that product, that service, the method or process you've developed may only be relevant for maybe 3 to 4 years. So you have to make that analysis, make a judgment based on the market. And these are things that you should be doing before you file a patent application anyway, because it's a huge investment of your time and money and resources. So before you make that decision, obviously get the right information, do a patentability opinion search, hire that out from a patent firm. Bold Patents stands ready to help you, of course. And then you have options for how to file, whether it's a provisional, non-provisional, or a design patent. Okay. Now, so the different ways to move forward to protect what you've come up with, but do get the consult of an attorney, get some advice. This is an area of law that I myself have practiced in for over 10 years, and all of our attorneys just love helping inventors, small, medium, certainly those startups that are looking to make major moves in the market. We want to be there for you. So for that matter, if you are still looking for more guidance, I do encourage you to click below. There's a link for a free Inventors Kit. This is a quick 4 or 5 page flyer. It gives you a PDF link to my book, Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents, as well as all the different options you have for patent searching and patent application drafting. I also have my chart of the patent monetization, the patent success matrix, I call it. This is talking about the y-axis being marketability and the x-axis being patentability. You do need both. So just as I was saying, do your research on patents as well as the market before you get started on this venture. I hope this was a good lesson for you today. I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents, wishing you an awesome weekend. Go big, go bold.